Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube casting problem. So firstly, verify both devices are not on different networks. For example, 2.4 gigahertz versus 5 gigahertz, or just guest network. Make sure they are both on the same internet connection. And then if that is not the case, then try to power cycle your TV, streaming device like Chromecast, Roku, phone, computer, and even your Wi-Fi router. So that will go ahead and fix the problem. However, if that doesn't, then try to update your application on your phone by opening your App Store and then clicking on the search bar and searching for YouTube, just like that. And once you've done that, click on the application. There's going to be a little blue update button where the open button is, and simply go ahead and fix it. If that doesn't work, then you could simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall your YouTube application on your mobile device, and that should fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.